Alright guys, we got a score yesterday from where I work. I got some pallets. These things are 32 inches wide by just a little over 12 foot long. And we're going to be turning these pallets into an outdoor brooder box. I got to build an outdoor brooder box because Amy won't let me hatch any more chicks until I have an outdoor brooder, so that she's tired of having all the chickens and the ducks and all that in the house. She wants to be able to use the bathtub again. Here is the pallets. You can see them a little better now. Let me warn you, don't get these pallets and unload them unless you got some manpower, because these things are a lot heavier than they look.
Oh yeah.
It was all Amy could do to help me with these, and I think she might have hurt her arm even.
Yeah, my wrist is swollen, or just past my wrist is swollen.
So
I injured myself right there.
Get some manpower if you're going to handle pallets like this.
Whew.
All right, we got the base of the brooder set in place. This is where we're going to put it. I just cut the pallet down a little shorter. It's just over 6 feet, and we put the hardware cloth on the bottom of it. We decided I was going to put the boards all the way across it, but we decided to make it easier to clean, we would just use hardware cloth on the bottom. And Amy's going around tacking the leftover, the what was on each side of it, hanging over. She's tacking it to the sides.
All right, guys. We took apart the other half of that pallet because we cut them in half, and we're coming up with our design now. We got some bricks for the stands, but what we've been doing is right at the halfway point there, we've been cutting them in half here, so that way we can do the sides, the back, the front, and then we're going to put a nice little roof on it. All right, keep working. Tearing apart the pallets now. And Stupid is supervising. We're going to tear apart the boards to use for the brooder and the sides. We're going to keep these guys in one piece, so then that way we got we don't have to worry about separating them or cutting them in half and then adjusting again. So, coming along. And lastly, here is the project we started for making the outside brooder. Because of the storms over the weekend, we couldn't do this. We couldn't work on this or the scarecrow, but we're hoping this weekend will be a little bit better, maybe. So, hopefully we'll get this done soon so we can start making more babies outside. Woohoo!
Here it is. Try to get a good shot of it for you guys. This is the outside brooder. This is going to have a roof on it. And this is going to be a lid to lift up. I'm going to put separations in this so that it'll have two sides. And I'm going to build another one of those doors right here for this one. Then this is going to have an A-frame roof on it. It's going to have an A-frame roof on it. The north end is going to be put on solid. The south end facing us is going to be on hinges, so that I can lift it up and close it. So we can lift up the roof so they can get more sunlight, and and then we so we can get access to the quail too. So
with my measuring tape.
here is your measuring tape. Braden, the good helper he is, has his own set of tools, which he has to make sure everything is put up properly. He is OCD about that. Oh, Braden, I think Grandma put your hammer on the dryer inside.
I got my hammer on.
Oh, you already got it? All right, cool.
See my hammer's right in here.
Oh, good job. All right, guys, that's what I got done on it today. All right, Foresters, we made it a little farther along on the build here for the outdoor brooder. I've been dealing with high blood pressure and some hip pain. I'm not sure what I did to my hip, but it has really slowed me down here on this project. And the high blood pressure, my blood pressure spiked Thursday. Amy took me into the doctor and I was up to the point of getting close to stroke range. And they gave me some medicine to bring it down quickly, and then changed up my medication, had me take some other medication, and he wouldn't let me go back into work Friday and made me take it easy, so I didn't get anything done Friday. It was a wasted day for me, which drives me insane. But I did get some work done Saturday and some work done Sunday, but Amy made me take it easy, so I couldn't push myself, so it all kind of slowed me down a little bit. But let me show you what I got. We got the, come in here closer so you can see. We got the lid for the brooder. You can see the bottom, the walls. This is all pallet. The only thing we had to buy was the hardware cloth and the screws. And it's gonna have a roof on it. I gotta put hinges on here too, but this is going to raise up when it's sitting on there right. Do this again. Take two. This.
There we go.
That's not right.
Just hold it there, honey.
Anyway, this is going to raise up and latch up here so that we can get and work with the chicks. If you come around here, you can see the roof. This is old repurposed siding that I used for the roofing material. This will, this won't be quite as hot for the animals as tin. Plus they're gonna have plenty of, it's gonna allow it to breathe. I'm going to cover up this side for them so that we can, that they'll get, when the weather's bad, they'll have
Protection.
some protection there.
Plus the sun sets where you're at, so we can give them some more shade too on the side.
Right. And I'll close up this side also. I'll get this side closed off. Both sides. This will raise up. And then now I'm going to build the other side of the roof just like this one, but instead of being screwed in solid, it's going to be on hinges. So it can hinge up, and then we'll be able to put a post up there to hold it. But each side will have its own
Door.
yeah, each side will, I can raise up this side of the roof, or I can raise up this side of the roof. And south is that way, so this will be facing south so that we can open it up, and during the nice days they'll be able to get air, and that way they're not living or you know, growing in our bathtub. They're actually outside. There'll be bugs that'll fly in. So this is just going to be healthier for them. It's going to be more convenient for us. And I think this is just going to be a better brooder all the way around than what we've done before.
Plus, with the A-frame roof, if we have to tarp it in winter, if we have chicks by chance in the wintertime, we'll be able to keep them warm and protected during the nighttime by having it tarped.
And I'll figure out the price on what this cost, you know, what this cost us when I'm done. I'll do a video just on the brooder. And I'm saying, you know, with using the pallets, all the wood is pallets, everything is recycled. You know, so it's not going to cost. I mean, it's going to be well under $100 to do this project.
Yeah, we still got all of this wood left from the pallet still.
Yeah. All right, so that's it for
If you
now.
like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and grow something for your family.